This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Don't miss this great home with nice floor plan on large lot in Magness Creek North Subdivision in the Cul-de-sac. Fabulous formal dining room with awesome lighting plus kitchen/dining combo. Office area just off the kitchen with a built-in desk. Side-load garage with additional parking pads. Exterior boasts lots of landscaping with patio area and privacy fenced backyard. This home offers popular split bedroom floor plan. Large laundry room. Seller is offering a 1-year third-party home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.